Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhani Shazani binti Muhammad Asli and my student ID is 2023368351. Today my group members and I will present about the greenhouse effect and climate change. So for the introduction, this video is all about the greenhouse effect and climate change explains how the natural greenhouse effect warms the earth, while human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation have intensified it, leading to global warming and climate destruction. This topic is crucial because it highlights the serious impacts of climate change, such as rising temperatures, extreme weather, and sea level rise, which threaten ecosystem and human societies. The video raises awareness by showing the urgent need for action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, shift to renewable energy, and protect the environment for future generations. Next, the greenhouse effects. So what is the definition? The greenhouse effect is a natural process where certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. Without it, Earth would be too cold for most living organisms to survive. So how it works? Firstly, solar energy from the sun reaches Earth where some of it is absorbed by the surface and some is reflected back into space. Secondly, the Earth releases the absorbed energy in the form of infrared radiation. Thirdly, certain gases in the atmosphere known as greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor trap some of this heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. And lastly is this trapped heat warms the planet and maintains a habitable climate.
Hi, I'm Shafika. Did you know that human activities are turning up the heat on our planet? Every day we are contributing to the greenhouse effect, which traps heat in the atmosphere and fuels climate change. But how exactly are we doing this? First, let's talk about burning fossil fuels. When we use coal, oil, and gas to power our homes, cars, and industries, we release carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. Think of power plants, car engines, and airplanes. They are like giant chimneys pumping carbon dioxide into the atmosphere non-stop. Next is deforestation. Cutting down trees for agriculture or development not only eliminates nature's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, but also releases massive amounts of stored carbon back into the air. It's like doubling the problem. Then, we have industrial processes. Factories produce more than goods, and they emit gases like methane and nitrous oxide, which are even more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat. These emissions silently accelerate global warming. Examples are all around us. Every car on the road, every factory producing goods, and every power plant lighting up our cities. These are all major sources of greenhouse gases driving the greenhouse effect. But here's the good news. We can change this. By reducing fossil fuel use, protecting our forests, and embracing cleaner technologies, we can cool down our planet and secure a better future for all. So let's act now. Together we can tackle the greenhouse effect and create a healthier planet for generations to come.
Hi, I'm Irene, and today I'll be discussing the effect of climate change. These changes are already impacting our planet in many ways, and I will highlight the key consequences we're facing. First, the global warming and temperature rise. Global temperatures have risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius, leading to heat wave, droughts, and an increased risk of wildfires. Second, melting ice cap and rising sea levels. Melting ice caps in Greenland and Antarctica contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal areas with flooding and displacing millions of people. Third, extreme weather events. Extreme weather events like floods, hurricanes, and droughts have become more frequent, damaging infrastructure and affecting food security. Fourth, the impact on ecosystem and wildlife. Rising temperatures disrupt ecosystem. Wildlife face habitat loss and coral reefs are dying due to ocean warming. And last, the impact on humans. Human health is also at risk with heat wave causing heat stroke and respiratory issues, while extreme weather events can displace vulnerable communities. Understanding the effect is vital. Urgent action is needed to protect our planet and future generations.
Hi, I'm Fikri Akmal 2023165611. So next I will explain about the solution to the climate change. So next, I want to talk about something critical to the health of our planet and the future of our communities, which is reducing greenhouse gas emissions. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by focusing on the renewable energy and energy conservation. Let's start with renewable energy. Unlike fossil fuels, which release carbon dioxide and other harmful gases when burned, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydroelectric power produce clean energy. By transitioning to this source, we can drastically cut emissions. For example, installing solar panel in a home or investing in wind energy can reduce our dependence on coal and oil. Government, business, and individual must work together to support renewable energy initiatives, whether through subsidies, corporate investment, or personal choice like opting for green energy plans. By adapting renewable energy alone isn't enough. Energy conservation plays a key role too. This means using energy more efficiently and reducing unnecessary waste. Simple change like turning off light when you leave a room, using energy efficient appliances, and improving home insulation can make a big difference. On a large scale, business can implement energy saving practice like using smart technology to monitor and reduce energy use. By combining renewable energy with a conservation effort, we can cut emissions, lower energy costs, and create a cleaner, healthier environment. Remember, these actions are not just about protecting the planet, they're about ensuring a sustainable future for ourselves and the generations to come. So let's take action today. Advocate for renewable energy, make energy conservation part of our daily routine, and encourage others to do the same. Together, we can make a lasting difference. Reducing waste and recycling. What is this important? Reducing waste and recycling help conserve natural resources, save energy, and combat climate change. Imagine the impact if we all made small change together. We could significantly reduce the waste piling up in the landfill and protect our planet for future generations. In conclusion, understanding the greenhouse effect is vital for addressing climate change and protecting our planet. To mitigate its impact, we must take collective action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by conserving energy, adopting cleaner technology, and minimizing waste. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power is crucial for reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, we must protect and restore our ecosystem, which play a critical role in absorbing carbon dioxide and maintaining environmental balance. Together, this effort can create a sustainable future. The time to act is now. Every step we take make a difference. Let's work together to safeguard our planet for generations to come.